What is that called?
Wow.
You guys look cute today.
Wow.
Ah! Little adventure. We are hooked up and ready to go. They have their scavenger hunt list. Anyways, guys, we made it to Santa Maria. We just filled up our trailer with water and we're off to the ranch. Who's excited? Excited?
Yep.
Let's go. We saw on the main road, I ain't moving him.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes.
Lead the way, buddy.
He's so cute. Thank you for leading the way. Thank you. What's your name? Hi, so we made it to our destination and we are on a cattle farm, and everywhere you walk and step there's cow poop everywhere. So we made it to the Knuckles Up event here in Santa Maria on this beautiful ranch, and they have a contest, Western country style, cowboy style decorations, and this is what we have here. Last minute, probably took me like maybe about a couple of hours just to put this all together at home. So this is what we have.
We have the bank. Picture area.
The wanted. General jail. General store and jail. Hi, Furfur. Hi. Let's go down there. I'm just kidding. Oh, you took the low road. Woohoo! Let the buggy.
Somebody doing the barrel racing.
Oh, that's cute. Look at that campground. I wanted hay. Go that way. I said, go that way.
What did she say?
Look at finally a video of Daddy. Woo-hoo! No helmet. Whoa, look at they're organized. Look at that. They must own a car dealership. All right, guys, this is the main area. Are you gonna dance? Do a little hold down? This is cute right here. Got some vendors here. Looking cool. It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, that dog's. All right, guys, that's a beer truck, and instead of an ice cream truck, they're passing out beer. Isn't that sweet? That's awesome. You get to stop them. That's awesome.
Hold on. Too hot? You want me to take a picture of him too? Too hot? You good right there?
Hold it, Papa.
Is this their first time roasting marshmallows? No.
No, he loves them.
Yeah.
Blow yours out, Christiani. Daddy, blow hers out.
Is that too much? You want to do another one?
So, let me ask you, how is that s'more?
Yummy.
Yummy. How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy. It's bedtime. Is everybody ready for bed?
Yeah.
What do we do before bed?
Prayers.
Prayers. And what else do we do? Tell what?
Stories.
Tell stories. Because we don't watch what?
TV.
Mm-hmm.
I want to tell stories. TV. I want to sit down.
See, no TV. Actually, our TV's right here. No, wait. We have a TV? Oh, it's right here. See, we don't use it, so I don't know where it's at.
First story, Mommy, lay down, please.
All right, so say goodnight to the camera.
Good night. Good night.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Hug me before bed.
Hey, hey. You have video hitting your sister.
Mom.
Good morning. We just had breakfast. Now my kids are... What are you making, Christopher? What is that?
Mr. Potato.
Mr. Potato? Okay. What are you doing over there?
It's hard to show. And then I make it see this side.
I clean all the windows, so it's going to be hard. No. Okay, you guys are crazy. Kona, get down. Daddy's still sleeping. It's time to get up, get ready, pack up some lunches, and go on a ride. Hey guys, we're here at Roundup at the Ranch. We're getting ready to ride with all the people from Knuckles Up. As you can see, there's a bunch of racers all lined up here. Some going that way, some going this way. This here is a lender from Michael. Thumbs up, Michael. Thank you so much for everything. All right, getting ready to roll. You guys ready back there? Christopher, ready?
Yeah.
Look up. Thumbs up, knuckles up.
Knuckles up. Ready, buddy? Ready, baby girl? Stay awake.
For the cows.
You're already gonna be like, I should have kept my sweater on. What?
Yeah, have a sit down.
See the cows? Somebody's already out, right? Huh?
Maybe they're filming.
You were tricking us that you were asleep, you said, so we put them on.
Hi, did you like your nap?
I didn't take a nap.
You didn't? Did you see all those cows in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize.
All right, I am freaking out right now. I am freaking out because we're going to go up this hill and stuff like that. And I am terrified of heights. Putting my seatbelt on, or do I put my seatbelt on or just sit on the floor and hide?
You see them up there, guys? The razor's up at the top.
Yeah.
Are you ready to go up there?
Yeah.
Hold on tight. Hug yourself. Remember, always hug yourself. I'm not ready.
Wait till he makes that turn.
Yeah.
The recording arm?
Yep. Here we go. Christopher fell asleep again. Christiane didn't.
You okay, buddy? We're going back to the trailer right now. Your goggles are right here, buddy.
So we just got back from the ride, and this is what we look like.